Hello viewers and welcome to Rozikin YouTube channel. What you need to know, at least 135 people were killed and 5,000 wounded in a massive explosion that shook Beirut on Tuesday according to Lebanon's health minister. Hundreds have been reported missing, raising fears that the death toll will rise, the health minister said Wednesday. More than 300,000 people have been displaced from their homes. Authorities declared Beirut a disaster city and imposed a 2-week state of emergency. It's still unclear what exactly caused the explosion. Lebanon's prime minister said an investigation would focus on an estimated 2,750 metric tons of the explosive ammonium nitrate stored at the warehouse. Now please take a look at the heartbreaking scenes from Beirut. Pray for Lebanon.
ما في بناية فوق الثاني. الله يعين العالم. هيدا البور الله بيعرف كم قتيل فيه. الله بيعرف كم قتيل فيه. ليك
هبنا حظا من